working the rub here. Going with a little maple, little honey hickory with some apple wood. Just, you know, your rub, you try to want to get it, you know, equal parts. I've got fat on top, which will then drain back down through the meat. What we're working with, you know, you'll see nice cut of beef. Rub both sides pretty liberally. Kind of let that soak in a little bit. I'll get these sides real good before I throw it on. But yeah, got a little smoke going here, Timmy. Thought you could maybe make us a video here of how a true Indian builds a fire. Generally, a white man builds a big fire and stands way back. Indian builds a small fire and stands close. Got some beautiful little, look at these little babies, little chicken wings. Look at the beautiful coloring. I mean, aren't those babies beautiful? A little bit of hickory and cherry blend on the wood. I mean, that is about as pristine. I mean, look at the beautiful coloring. You cannot do it any better than that, guys. Toss those in my homemade wing sauce. And give you guys a full frontal here. Look at those puppies. Just taking one. That's about all you need. Run at a, you know, moderately low temperature. This puppy's gonna be great. Okay, we're back here live, guys. Good to see everybody. We're at about 240, been anywhere between 235 and 240. We're gonna open up the brisket. First time. Oh, look at that baby. Oh, look at this beaut. What a beaut. Beautiful bark. Perfect coloring. This thing's just sweating. See the sweat pouring out of that cow. I mean, what a beautiful, beautiful baby. Just splitting up top, that fat that's dripping down into the meat. So always remember, friends, when you're doing that, put your fat side where it drips down into the meat. Therefore, you're really, this has been right at 2 hours. Hey friends, me again. Got it wrapped, and then we're gonna go ahead and shut it back down. Just remember, friends, that your fire will get back hot again, obviously, because we had it open. We're just gonna close this thing, and then we want to get it back in the, you know, pick and run at 215. So just know that the fire will get hot on you, friends, and just be careful. Obviously, remember to wear your protective eyewear and a mitten. This is the Primo extra large Primo. So just you know, you'll see that temperature spike, continue to spike. So now we're gonna, you know, moderate your vents. Just be cognizant of that to get that thing to settle in a little bit, and then we want this baby to come back down into that 220 range. That's fine. Hey friends, it's me again. So now that you have your wings, so what you're gonna do is get a bowl similar to this, and you want to just do, you know, kind of come up with the perfect sweet heat, if you will. And what I like you to do is just do a couple like dabs of this. Okay, just pretty much like I did it. Okay, so we're gonna hit this a few times, just like that. Okay, and then now you're just gonna get over a sink and get your, you know, get in an area where, you know, for the guys that this is their first rodeo. And depending on your liking, and when you do this toss, it's just simply, you just kind of want to circle it. Okay, just like I'm doing it, just pretty much perfect like I got it. So now zoom in on these puppies and see, you should have just a light glaze. Hey friends, me again. I want to kind of show you what it should be looking like as you bite into and start enjoying these puppies. You'll see the separation from the meat and the bone, which is going to basically tell you, you see that moisture that's under that skin there? That's a beautiful shot, right like right there. So what that's going to give you, that's means it was again cooked perfect. So what you guys all need to do is just watch my videos and wish you were me over the grill and the smoker, because ultimately that's really what you need to do. Just beautiful. Just that's how you want it. Thanks, friends. We'll see you in a few.